सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्।
Seeking for human love always ends up with unfulfilled desires and inability to live up to each other's expectations. Even though it seems like love, but actually it's not love. Hence, in spite of seeking for so-called human love, one should rise above, giving up all conditions of love and should get established in seeking the true love, which is eternal. It's the great masters of perfection have taught the students the way of love, and having learned to live in love, they returned to their places to serve as great masters. This is the secret glory of Bharat, our country, and its incredible culture. We must learn.
Hi friends, father demand love, mother expect love, brother and sister ask for love. Friends, do you really want to know what love is and the secret how to love others? Do you want to discover a love during your long, beautiful and fruitful lifetime? Then watch this video till end.
This Valentine's Day, the day of love, let's all come together and hold hands, learn the true meaning of love. Let's love one and all.
Jai Hind. In this modern era, everybody says that they love their country. They are patriotic. But do we truly love our country? A country is more than just a territory or a piece of land. A country is known by its citizens, their tradition and the vibrant culture. So when we say we love our country, we should love, respect and protect its culture and its environment. Every culture and religion says that the true spirituality and the presence of God can only be felt in a clean environment. Hence, let us learn to truly love our country with all our hearts by keeping our environment clean and respecting our cultures. We usually define love to an entity between two peoples, usually boy and a girl or man and a woman. But love cannot be confined between boundaries. It cannot be confined. Only relationships can. Thus, love one and all, your country, its citizens, their culture, their tradition, animals and the environment. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
We always try to be good, cheerful, and start to dress up well and to look beautiful so that others love us. Nowadays, youth go to gym and dress up only to impress others. Being healthy and taking care of oneself is not wrong, but it should be done for the love that we have for ourselves.
Loving nature is another form of love. If you plant a rose shrub and talk to it every day with love, requesting it to grow without thorns, you will be surprised to see a rose plant without thorns. This has been scientifically proved. In ancient times, when a huge tree had to be removed to clear land, many tribes had the culture of shouting at it and insulting it so that the tree dies. This is the power of love, and lack of it can damage someone permanently. The more love there is in the surrounding and nature, the more beautifully it will grow and make you happy.
Open your heart wide and remember there's only one reality, and this is the love of God for His creation. Thank you very much.
Never think of going out into this world spreading love among others. Have you ever tried this? Have you ever tried giving love to your friends, family, relatives, never. Of that, I'm sure. Great people know how to love others, and thus they are accepted as great. When we'll know how to love, only then you'll be loved by others. This is the law of the universe. Usually, we are passive and cry to be loved. To love others is an art, and we must know its practical and theory and its methods and techniques in order to master the art of giving love.
But my friends, what is this love? This love is not only a feeling coming and going. It is not a desire to possess or to be attached. It is truly the complete giving of oneself for the well-being of another.
Jai Jagannath. We say incredible India, but do we really love the incredible culture of India? Being a social animal, we cannot deny the fact that attire complements to the very vibration or mood of a certain place. For example, one does not wear party outfits for attending funeral. Similarly, the state of being holy should be maintained with decent dressing, with a non-excited state of mind that would enable single-mindedness in devotion for the deities. Ghee. We have been doing offerings in yajnas just for the sake of doing it, compromising the quality of the ghee. Ghee for puja is not ghee because it is inedible, and our offerings affect ourselves only because we inhale the fumes. We deceive ourselves by doing this. Is this our love to divine? Ghee. We have been doing offerings in yajnas just for the sake of doing it, compromising the quality of the ghee. Ghee for puja is not ghee because it is inedible, and our offerings affect ourselves only because we inhale the fumes. We deceive ourselves by doing this. Is this our love to divine?
Everyone says they love their country, they are patriotic. But do we truly love our country? If we would love our country, we would love our citizen, its tradition, its culture. Without the people, there is no meaning of country. So love all, serve all. I love my India.
In this world, the anxiousness to be loved by others makes us stressed. No one wants to give love, but all are anxious to find it. Since we have always misunderstood that love is all about being loved, let's come together, join hands, and love the true meaning of love. Let's not to fall in love, but to rise in love. Let's make the love free from curse. We love God, we love our parents, we love our teachers, and we love our masters.
Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter. Shriyo hi jnanam abhyasa, jnana dhyanam vishishyate, dhyanat karma phalastyaga, styaga chantiranantaram. Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita defined tyaga as the giving up of all anxiety to enjoy the fruit of actions. To give love is therefore to love everyone without expecting any results, any gain, any profits, or demand in return. The biggest privilege of our life should be to love all. Love, when it is true and full, unconditional and joyful, is its own reward.
Love is not confined within any relationship. We love our parents.
दिन भर करे बातें हम फिर भी लगे बातें अधूरी आजकल। मन की दहलीजों पे कोई आए ना, बस तुम जरूरी आजकल। अब्र मैं हूँ तू आसमां है, पास है तू पर कहाँ है। जिद मेरी तू नहीं मेरी आदत है तू। I love you, hey, I love you, hey, दिल कहे क्या राज है, जाने क्या कर गए। जैसे अंधेरों में तुम चांदनी भर गए, करे चांद तारों को मशहूर इतना क्यों। कम वक्त इनसे भी खूबसूरत है तू। I love you, hey, I love you, hey, na na re na, I love you, hey, I love you,